This morning is cold. It's like a low 40s. Yeah, super cold. It's in Naples and I can't believe it how cold it is. And today it's not gonna warm up more than 62 or 63. Leaving Naples. Heading to Fort Myers. Just keep going. Traffic's not too bad. I have mostly a headwind. The wind is from north, so I have today a headwind. There's actually a bike trail right next to it, but I have such a nice ride that I don't want to switch over. I think this ends soon. It's in 40s, can you imagine? In Naples, between Naples and Fort Myers. There's a nice bike trail here. I think it goes all the way to Fort Myers. It follows this greenway or parkway, Michael C. Ripple Parkway. It's a nice bike trail here, right alongside of the highway. Alright, I have to cross the road to get to the other side. Now I'm going to John Yarborough Linear Park. You see? John Yarborough Linear Parkway. Okay, let's do it. Let's go over this little bridge. The other side of the canal. That's a nice parkway. It's beautiful. So that's the John Yarborough Park Trail. Switching over to the other side again. Just going back and forth. It's still middle 50s, or maybe upper 50s now. It's very cold for Fort Myers. I'm in Fort Myers, going over the bridge to the other side, and that's a part of Tamiami Trail, US 41. It's starting to warm up, but it's still gonna be in low 60s this afternoon. Nice bike trail. Yeah, I'm just gonna follow this trail. Punta Gorda. I have arrived. I have about maybe 6-7 miles to go to the other side, Port Charlotte. I don't know how it's pronounced. So far I did already 56 miles. I have about 6-7 miles to go. But tomorrow I'm gonna take the Legacy Trail, so it's gonna be fun. Yeah, that's the Punta Gorda, or how you pronounce it. Here you go, that's my hotel, Microtel. That's where I'm gonna spend the night. Good morning. I'm heading from Port Charlotte to Predenton. I'm gonna pass Predenton. Anyway, I'm going by the secondary roads. Oh, there is actually a bike trail on the side. All right, let's go over. Tampa. All right, now I'm on the right path. Look at this beautiful place, or interesting place. The water level is much higher in there. Interesting. So I'm going to Little Manatee River State Park. On the way I'm gonna take the Legacy Trail, which I have ridden once before. Oh, bike trail ended. It's a beautiful morning, but it's really cold. It was a lower 40s, 41 I think when I started. Now it's starting to warm up. So I'm riding this trail, whatever it is. It follows that road. Okay, that's a brand new bike trail. I think it's called Price Trail. Alright, let's see where it takes me. Oh, look at this. Wow, so cool. Did you see the deers? White-tailed deers. So this one takes me to a side of 95 or 75, not 95. Yeah, this looks like a brand new bike trail. Wow, looks like a fun ride, but I would wear the helmet because it's kind of dangerous to go in such a speed without. Look, that's 75 there, Interstate 75, and this bike trail actually follows it. Pretty cool. There's a little bridge. Oh, let me take a picture. Look at how well maintained is this trail. Absolutely. I guess that's the old road. Hi. Alright, that's the end of this trail, road, whatever it is. And this one takes me to the Legacy Trail. So, crossing the 75. So I'm heading to Legacy Trail. It's coming up soon. You see that? The Legacy Trail. I need to take a picture of it. Cyclists yield to all others. And look at this railroad rails here. Wow, they preserved that part of the rail. This is so cool. Never seen this kind of bike. Legacy Trail is actually very beautiful trail. Look at this surrounding. Very nice. And the trail itself is very smooth, very well maintained. Oscarshire Station. What? I'm already there? Okay, Oscarshire State Park is right here. It's on the side of the trail and you can camp there. Temperatures are in the 40s. Yeah, right now it's I think 48. The Legacy Trail. Look at the sign up there. But the Legacy Trail actually continues. So this is the second section. I'm actually halfway. So they built an overpass, but you can pass it from the right side. I rode 40 miles. I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna go to the gas station. It's 11 o'clock. That's a Huston trailhead. And yeah, I'm just gonna continue the Legacy Trail. That's low. I know it's a little around, but I wanted to continue this trail. Car. What in the world? That's crazy. She was in the wrong place. I have 30 miles to go to the little Manatee River State Park. Riding on the major highway, but I have my own lane, so not bad. I have 18 miles to go. Hour and a half, and it's 1 o'clock, so I have plenty of time. Look at how wide is the bike lane. I'm 9 miles from the campground, so it's gonna be there soon. Tonight I'm gonna meet up with Kevin and Bane. We're gonna go to have a dinner, and then Bane's gonna stay with me in the campground. He's gonna ride Coast to Coast Trail. I'm heading back tomorrow, back home. The bike lane is almost as wide as the main lane, and no traffic. It's perfect. Not sure what kind of river is that, but maybe Little Manatee River, I don't know. Going over. Little Manatee River State Park is coming up in 1 mile. And let me see what I rode so far. Oh yeah. 77 miles, 78 miles gonna be today. Nice. Hello.
You snuck in. I didn't even hear you come through. Okay. Are you just coming in for the day?
No, I have a reservation for the campsite.
Do you need to check in, or are you already checked in and everything?
No, I haven't. First time here. I didn't even know how to get here.
That's
I just
okay.
turned in from the.
Yeah. Where's your camper at?
I have my tent.
You're doing it all in there? Okay, and you got everything you need?
I came from Miami.
Oh, what? Did you really?
Yep, I'm riding a Tamiami Trail.
That is so
I mean,
You should read the book, The Walk.
I have.
Isn't it
I
awesome?
have the Appalachian Trail.
Yes.
Mhm.
Oh, I love that book.
Yeah. and
Here's
it's,
your tag. I don't know where you're going to put it, but
on a windshield.
your windshield.
Yeah. All right, thank you so much. All right, I have arrived at little Manatee River State Park. And here they have extra sites here. They added a couple more. That's how it looks. There's no water or electric, but it's fine. So I'm pumping my air methods. That's easy, babe. I love my mini pump. I'm just gonna get my stuff ready, and tomorrow I'm riding to Tampa to catch the train back to Jacksonville. See you tomorrow. All right, good morning. Last day. Today I have only 35 miles to go to Tampa train station and heading back to Jacksonville. So now I'm heading west towards Tamiami Trail. It's a nice ride here. Look at how wide is the bike lane. Perfect. Sometimes it's good to be on the bike. Look at that, I can pass all the traffic. I have my own lane. So, I'm heading towards Tamiami Trail. Very nice bike lane here. I have the tailwind. So I found a better way. It still has a little bit traffic, but not much. It's warming up finally, but too late for me. I'm like 15 miles from Tampa. I'm arriving to Tampa. Yep, there it is. Wow, my bike tour is coming to the end. Yeah, this is the end of Tamiami Trail, which goes from Miami to Tampa. I rode 330 miles. I have to look up exact, but I'm pretty sure it's 330 miles. Hey, look at this view. That's a Tampa. Arriving to Tampa. Somen Greenway, and that goes to the station. If you can't make it green, just paint the sides green and it's good enough. Somen Greenway. That's the Union Station, Tampa Union Station.